April 14th, 2017, 8:30 a.m. at 1601, unit number 2, Maribel, Charlotte, padlock renovation. See, we're missing the number 2 and the housing number. Having no power to check any appliances. These small stains on the carpets may come up. Needs to be checked out. They touch up black markers on the walls. Bedroom ceilings need to be painted as well. The thermostat cover, the clips are broken. It needs to be repaired. AC filter, 14 by 20 by 1. Clean for a new tenant. There's no trash out needed. Place 1 big, 3 small direct pans for GE. They don't come clean. Hole in the outside window pane in the kitchen needs to be replaced. Kitchen cabinets will need to be painted as well. Hall closet, door jamb is busted. It needs to be repaired. Recaulk the toilet and the sink. Toilet side, seats tight. Shower, there's a shower head. There appears to be black paint on the ceiling in the bedroom. Needs to be painted. More markers on the wall. More black paint. Small crack in the bedroom door. Needs to be repaired. That's about it.